I have exactly 10 minutes to do my hair. I'm ready. Let's see the transformation. This is my go-to hair straightening brush. Okay, this is what we're working with. Washed my hair last night, worked out already. Start before. Okay, let's go after. I do wear the glove because it does get hot, and when I go fast, I don't want to burn myself. Now, you can clip your hair up. The smaller pieces you use, the better. But when I'm in a rush, I tend to just use bigger pieces of hair, and that's okay. You're gonna see the end result, guys. It's amazing. Okay, we're 34 seconds in. Let's go. So all I'm doing is just combing my hair right now. This part is hot, but I can actually put my hand on it. I'm just combing my hair right through, and then I'll flip it up and I'll comb my hair the other way. This is just my method of how I do it. It may not be everyone's method, but it really works for me. Sometimes I'll put my finger right underneath it with the glove on and kind of guide the hair through it. Okay, that was 1 minute. Two minutes in. Okay, at the end, we're gonna really work on flipping the ends, and I'll show you a little trick I used for that. But so far, so good. What I love is how shiny it makes your hair and super, super soft. And it's fast. We're 3 minutes in now, guys. Four minutes in, almost coming up on 4.5 minutes. Do you guys see how fast this is? Okay, I don't even have the glove on. I want to put that back on my hand though. One more piece. 5 minutes in. So the halfway point, but I think I'm gonna be done way faster than 10 minutes. Let's style the front. Let me show you the tricks I got. Put it where you normally part your hair. Mine tends to fall kind of in the center area. Then I use the inside of it. And this is where I'm just kind of paying attention to the ends, and I'm gonna flip them. For me, I flip them towards my face. And that's all. It literally sets it into place. It's not a lot of effort. Do that to my ends. Okay, if I wanna fluff out my hair, we are now at 6.5 minutes, and here is the after. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you also are subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And leave me a comment. Have you used this before? Do you love it? Are you inspired to get one? It is my favorite hair straightening tool. You cannot go wrong with it. Trust me. All right, I'll see you in the next video.